In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Sora AI Beta Access. So the first thing you want to do is down here, as you can see on this website I just found, it says that to secure beta access to Sora, ensure you follow these steps. Now you have to visit the official OpenAI website to access Sora application directly at this link. So what you want to do is simply type this link into Google, which is openai.com/form/red-theming-network and then yet another slash, which will put you directly inside this page that I'm at right now. Now over here, it then says to complete the Sora application form, so you have to fill in all required fields with accurate and truthful information before submitting your application. And now, as you can see over here, where it says apply, you have to put in your first name, last name, your email, country of residence, organizational affiliation, if you have any, highest level of education completed, and if you have a degree, which field it is in, and then you have to put in areas you consider yourself to have expertise, and then you have to put in a reason why you're interested in joining the OpenAI Red Teaming Network, and then how much time do you need to be able to spend red teaming new systems or models, etc., and then a few other things, such as what do you think is important area for OpenAI to be red teaming, and what languages you're fluent in, and then you have to check whether you've previously used the following, so OpenAI and ChatGPT, DALL-E, and fine-tuning and stuff like that. Additionally, you also have to put in your Twitter profile URL, and that's pretty much it. You then have to accept the cookies down here. And once you've done that, you can actually apply. And over here, as you can see, the first step, it says patiently await review. The review process takes time, so patience is key. Now, over here, as I said, you have to put in a lot of stuff, okay? So you have to put in a lot of different information. Over here, there's some kind of tips for boosting your approval odds. So it says when answering the questions, it's essential to align your responses with OpenAI's goals and demonstrate your commitment to social responsibility. Now, of course, you can only get the Sora AI Beta Access if you're truly interested in doing it, and if you want to actually contribute to the community and help OpenAI with their red teaming network. Okay, so in case you're interested and want to get beta access, shoot them an application over here at this website. It's over here yet again, and yeah, you may just get approved and get the beta access to Sora AI. I hope this video helped you out.